Hello friends. We are a home renovation company in Paris, and we do all kind of renovation work, in Paris, and also in the Paris region. In this video, you see one of our project. This renovation project includes the reparation of the walls, painting, installation of the kitchen and a big room heater. In simple words, there were 3 different trades were involved in this renovation project: painting, plumbing and carpentry. In the video, you can see how beautifully the work was done. This room is going to be the canteen in an educational institute. In our home renovation company in Paris, we do all kind of renovation work. Not only in Paris, but also in the Paris region. Do you have an interior renovation project for your home, apartment, hotel, studio, boutique or office in Paris or in the Paris region? And you are looking for an interior renovation contractor for the renovation and design services from A to Z? Our apartment renovation company in Paris is at your service for all kind of demolition, construction, building, renovation, decoration, painting, electricity, plumbing and flooring work in Paris and suburbs. We are specialists when it comes to painting, renovation and decoration. We are professional painters and decorators based in Paris, and we have an experience of 14 years in the domain. Team of our professional painters and decorators can help introduce the style and look you desire to interior walls and floors of your apartment. We can help you select the best products to enhance the interior of your apartment. For more information, you are welcome to contact us. We offer free quotes for your renovation projects.